Welcome everybody to this video. In this video I will show you how to add or find your extension on your Chrome browser on your PC. It's very easy. Pay attention in this video till the end. So first, come open or click here on this three dot. So it will show you this list. Go click on settings. So here inside your settings, go to extension here. And right now that's all what you have in your extension. I only have Google Docs offline. How to download and add extension? I will add a new tab and search for download extension like this. So I will go here to Chrome Web Store, click free download, and right now I will search for my extension that I wanna use. For example, I wanna use an extension for AliExpress content scraper. I will click on it. When you find it, click ajouter au Google Chrome. It's on French, it's mean add Google Chrome. Click here and click here add extension, and right now I will come on extension. I will refresh the page, and right now I have it, as you see. So that's all. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.